The Medhub Africa link, the exported Xray file in JPEG/PNG format, and the Micro DICOM app, if your exports are in the DICOM format. You start by going to the website at www.medhub.africa. Once on the front page, scroll down a little and locate the Social Login tab and log in with your center Google account. Once done, the page reloads automatically. After this, navigate to the Menu tab and select More Options. Then click on Center. Select your institutional name from the list. If you are prompted to add a password for protected content, add the 3-digit password given to your center and hit Enter. You will then be taken to the next page where you will select your location. This brings you to the upload platform proper. So, you can see the starting point button and the logout button. Then the 2 folders for the 2 consultants. To upload to a specific consultant, you must open the consultants folder and create dated folders within his section. To create the day's folder for upload, click the 3 dots at the upper right corner and select Add Folder. Then type the date as the name of the folder and create the folder. Now you are inside the new date folder. You can go one step back to see all the dated folders within the consultants folder. A drop-down of the 3 dots beside each folder shows you all you can do to the folder, including renaming and adding descriptions. To upload cases into a folder, click on the folder to enter inside it. Then add the patient's specific folder within that date. You can add the patient's age and sex alongside the name. Now you have the patient folder within the date folder under the consultant. Use the 3 dots to add descriptions of the clinical history and other instructions to the doctor. Now, to upload the image, open the patient's folder. and click on the little plus sign at the lower right side of the upload box to add files. Locate and select the JPEG or PNG file and click Open. The file will upload. Don't disturb the platform until the upload is completed and you can see the image open inside the box. Always upload the JPEG file or PNG version. If your machine exports in DICOM format, use the Micro DICOM app to convert to PNG. You can also upload in DICOM format through the same process, but it is a bit slower. Navigate out of the Patients folder. Now your upload is completed. Repeat this patient image upload for all your patients. After receiving the report from the consultant, head over to Medhub platform using this link to compose a PDF version of the report for patients. It is advisable to always open links in a new tab. Log in with your company email and username. Once in, set the display to all cases. Then search for your location. All the reporting templates available for your location will appear. Please don't use templates meant for other locations for your center. Proceed to locate the specific body part you wish to write report on. At the far right end of the table, open the Report tab for that template. In a new tab, select your institution's logo, and this opens the Report template. You can edit every detail on this page to suit your index patient as shown in this demo. You can delete the report field you don't need. You can also rename and label additional fields depending on your need. If more than one study is done, add additional fields and change the labels to the name of the additional studies. When you are done editing, add the doctor's signature as shown here. You can also add more than one signature. Select and add the PNG or JPEG images to the report. DICOM images cannot be added here. You can edit the description of the image or delete the image altogether. When done, hit the Finish Report tab. You can then download it as PDF or print it directly from the computer. You can re-edit a completed study to correct mistakes or add omitted information. Don't ever click on Add Addendum. Back in the Xray platform, locate the patient's folder within that dates folder. Inside the dates folder, create a folder called reports and upload all the PDF reports of that day into it. The uploaded reports can be renamed to reflect their rightful owners.